Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com, and in today's video I am going to share with you 5 ways to make money at home. And before we dive in, make sure and hit that subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. And if you are looking to become financially free, I want you to comment freedom below in the comments, and don't forget to like and share this video. And if you guys are really looking to make more money without always trading time for dollars, click the link below this video in the description and I show you exactly how I am able to do that. All right, so let's dive in with 5 ways you can make money at home. And the first way is to actually rent a room on Airbnb or to get a roommate. So if you have a spare bedroom in your place, you can rent that room out on Airbnb, and that way you only have one person staying there, you know, maybe one weekend out of the month or however often you want someone else staying there. Or you could get a roommate and that roommate can help pay you rent every single month. So that is one way you can make extra money at home. And then the second way to make extra money at home is to take surveys online. And I have shared a few of these sites with you guys on my YouTube channel. So you can look in the videos on how to make money online or with apps. And I share with you a few different ways to, or a few different sites to use to take different surveys that you can get paid for. So if you are just chilling, watching a movie or whatever, you can, you know, pull up your computer and take a few surveys and make some money that way. Okay, and then the third way to make money from home is to use a shopping app or a shopping website, and I've shared a few of these as well. And one of them is Ebates, and all you do is set up an account and you can just do your shopping online, so just right on your phone or on your computer if you want, and they give you cash back every time you make a purchase through their app. And they partner with a lot of different stores, huge stores like Amazon or Walmart or Target. There's a whole bunch of different ones. So that's an easy way to make some extra cash. So the fourth way you can make money from home is by gathering up all of the items that you don't really use anymore, or that you don't really want anymore, that are just cluttering up your house, and you can sell them online. You can even use Facebook Marketplace to sell them, or there's a whole bunch of different groups you can join on Facebook and sell your items in there. And there's probably even, you know, like a local website. I know Utah has KSL, and a lot of people sell stuff on there all the time. So that is another way you can make money from home. And then the fifth way you can make money from home is by using your typing skills. So you can sign up with SpeechPad and you can transcribe audio into text, and they pay you for that. So if you are good at typing, or if you want to brush up on your typing skills, you can sign up with SpeechPad and get paid to type. So that is the fifth way you can make money from home. And if you guys are looking for an easier way to make more money without always trading time for dollars, then click the link below this video in the description, because I share with you my new opportunity that I have to do that. And this creates residual income. It creates passive income. So you're not always trading time for dollars, and you're actually creating that passive income so you can start to live the financially free life that you desire to. So click the link below this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and share this video with someone who would like to hear this information. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.